Hey everyone, how's it going? So here at TesStudio, getting this new integrated 10.25 display installed with vegan leather wraparound. It looks absolutely stunning. So we'll show you the before and after installation. Here at TesStudio in Orange County, they sell this directly from their website as well as in the shop. If they have it available, you can call, make an appointment, and get it installed. The best way is to order online first. This is newly released, so they do have limited supply. Here's a close-up of the actual display itself. It does have that anti-glare, but once it's off, it has that nice blue screen, just like you have the green, the blue screen glass protection. And in addition, you have everything you need from AMD to Intel all integrated into the package, so you don't have to worry about getting the wrong one. To install this is very easy, so you can order online, install it yourself, or if you're local to Orange County, swing by, make an appointment first, and get it installed. So to get this mounted on the dash, you just have to remove the dash first. It makes things a lot easier when you place this on a flat surface. So to align the wires, you do poke it through the air vents. You first use this sticker, and it guides you where those air vents is, so you can place it right through without having to worry about counting if it's center or not. Once it's placed on the dash, go ahead and screw it underneath. You can see here it slightly tilt to the right there, and that's just to improve visibility. What's special about this new 10.2-inch display, it integrates with your dash but also has airflow. So spring is around the corner, the temperature is getting warmer. This is the perfect upgrade for your Model Y and 3. And the airflow, we'll show that at the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. So the install takes less than 30 minutes. Again, you just remove the dash, put the display on, put the screw underneath, tighten it, connect the wires, and plug into your AMD port on the right A-pillar. So if you have the Intel, it's a little bit more tight. There's many videos out there on how to do that. It's just the actual gray plug, third one from the bottom from the computer. But most people have the AMD now, so it's very easy to install. And it also comes with an option to install a camera, a front blind spot camera. And this helps for lower vehicles that have lower springs. The Y shouldn't have any issue, but this Y is lower by a couple inches. So this camera will help let you see what's in front of you, so you don't curve your bumper, and also don't run over anything, especially if you have Tesla Vision. This will come a long way with being safer. This display has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, very seamless setup. And if you come by TesStudio to do the install, they'll help you set it up with your phone and sync it with your display as well as your main display. And you can see you can actually open maps, other application, and you can have settings to your liking, so you can change it from 24 hours to 12 hours, Celsius to Fahrenheit, very easy. It has a built-in speaker, and also you can see how it integrates with the black leather. It matches the seat stitching. If you actually have black seating or even white seating, it should be fine. It contrasts with the yoke very well. You can see there the camera, one push in on the right scroll wheel for about 2-3 seconds, the camera will turn on. Here's the airflow. So you can see there, the steering wheel will not block any airflow, and now your display, with this display, it won't as well. If you're interested in this product, check out link in the description. You can order it right now. Catch y'all next time. Remember to subscribe.